Imagine converting a BIM model to DWG quickly and easily to integrate it into your CAD environment. With ARES Kudo Cloud Automation creates DWG or PDF files from BIM models, using predefined settings. If the BIM model is updated, all the DWG documentation can be effortlessly refreshed, instead of recreated from scratch. Let's explore how automation optimizes the BIM workflow. Whether from the ARES Kudo File Explorer or within the program itself, the Drawings Automation option can be found in the drop-down menu. It all starts with the New Job button, which we also see in the video demonstrating automation functions related to general CAD drawing. Automation begins with a few simple steps. First, we select the type of job to perform, in this case, automatically generating 2D DWG drawings from a BIM model. Next, choose the file to automate, which can be in RVT or IFC format. After that, you can assign a name to the file that will be generated. Select a template, ISO or ANSI, specifically designed for working with BIM models, that offers various sizes and scales. Since this template will be applied to all generated drawings, it's best to choose the size and scale most commonly used in the project. The one-time job option will execute the automation a single time, making it perfect for one-off tasks or testing purposes. The recurring and scheduled options, as their name suggests, allow you to create repetitive tasks over time, or set tasks to run on a specific date, respectively. We'll cover these options shortly. Since tasks can be lengthy, this option sends an email upon completion, keeping the user informed without active monitoring. The final step involves selecting the cloud storage location where the result will be saved. Once the task begins, it is added to the task history. Once the process is complete, the status will change to Done. At the same time, an email will be sent to notify us about it. Through this icon, we can directly access the directory containing the automation results. We could even share this folder with colleagues if needed. Let's take a look at some of the automatically generated drawings. You can also draw over the result, either by inserting blocks or by employing basic tools such as lines, polylines, and more. Now, let's imagine another scenario. Suppose that every week, we need to automatically generate PDFs containing the updated information from the BIM model. After selecting the file, or even multiple buildings at once, and the template, we will choose the recurring option. This option allows us to set the start date, the execution time, and the repetition interval, which in this case will be every 7 days. In this way, new directories will be generated each week, each containing the updated content for each building separately. Here we can see the newly scheduled task. Thus, later on, and then every 7 days, this is what we will get. ARES Kudo allows users to extract data from a BIM model using two types of tasks, both of which generate a CSV database in the selected directory. The first option extracts all model data, producing a large file with potentially unnecessary information, though it can be filtered later using Excel or a similar program. The second option uses a DET file, created with the data extraction command in ARES Commander, to extract only the relevant data. If you have an ARES Trinity license, you can use ARES Commander to create DET files for recurring data extraction, such as cost trends or carpentry elements. The scheduled option allows you to configure the automation to run at a specific date and time. The bell icon logs all completed actions, alerting the user when a new one joins the list. Meanwhile, this other icon allows task filtering, which is especially useful for large lists. Learn more about ARES Kudo on our YouTube channel and through our online courses at the Graebert Academy.